Welcome to Complejo Hostelero Paladium. To begin planning your unforgettable experience at our exquisite retreat in Valdegodos, Spain, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or consult the description below for booking instructions. Nestled within the captivating landscapes of Valdegodos, Complejo Hostelero Paladium offers a haven of comfort and convenience. Check-in commences at 3 p.m., allowing ample time for a leisurely arrival, while checkout is gracefully accommodated until 11 a.m., ensuring a relaxed departure. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enveloped in an atmosphere of warmth and tranquility. The hotel features an inviting bar, perfect for savoring expertly crafted cocktails or fine wines in a convivial setting. Start your day with a delightful breakfast, setting the tone for exploration. Guests enjoy the convenience of free Wi-Fi, keeping you connected throughout your stay, and complimentary parking, providing effortless access to your explorations of the region. Please note that while we strive to create a serene environment for all our guests, our child policy ensures a tranquil experience. Children's accommodation may be subject to additional charges. Complejo Hostelero Paladium awaits, promising a stay defined by comfort, convenience, and attentive service. For ease of booking and instant access to our exclusive offers, please revisit the QR code on screen.